So first of all, I would like to say that the day has come when I will have to speak less and you have to speak more and you have to share your journey. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so much.
So her name is Ankita Surana and she has secured All India rank 398, right?
Yes.
Hmm. So can you please tell me that, okay, we were in touch कि sir कब आएगा PDF कब आएगा, and when you found your roll number in that, तो वो कैसी feeling थी?
Firstly, I was very happy. He finally ho gaya. It was a very long journey, and finding my name in the list was itself a big relief. He ho gaya,
Okay.
and that was a big moment of happiness in my life. Uske baad, when you share that happiness with your family, tab when you see that pride in their eyes, I cannot explain. It's all worth it. The long journey, everything is worth it after that.
Okay. And can you please give us brief about you? A basic brief.
Yes.
राजस्थान की लड़की हैदराबाद में है, ठीक है? वो एक basic background.
So basically, I come from Maharashtra, but then I had shifted to Hyderabad. So I've done my graduation, college, everything from Hyderabad. यहाँ से ही हूँ. And I started my preparation in 2015. 2015 में start किया था. But then I would say this was not a dream. जो बोलते हैं ना childhood dream, वैसे कुछ नहीं था. I had never thought that I would enter UPSC or civil services. So I had a difficult past. I had many struggles in my life. So after those struggles, I decided that I had to take charge of my life. खुद से कुछ करना है. And that was when I chose civil services. So since 2015, I started the journey. So it has been 6 years. Yes, yeah, and finally got into it.
Okay. And अंकिता, तुम्हारा जो पर्सनल जर्नी रहा है तैयारी करने से पहले वाला, that was very tough and rough.
Right.
And आई थिंक इसमें अगर एक बात कही जाए कि कभी-कभी लाइफ में जो ऐसे टाइम आते हैं कि जहाँ पे एक रफ टाइम है, बट शायद वो एक अलग पाथ पे लेके जाए जो बहुत ही हैप्पी सा पाथ है. डू यू एग्री विद इट?
Yes, sir. हो सकता है. ऐसे ही हम बोलते हैं ना that difficult path leads to beautiful journeys, beautiful destinations. तो वैसे ही कुछ हुआ. So it all depends on us how we take it. If we take difficult times as inspiration, कुछ कर ले, कुछ सोच ले, ठान ले कि कुछ करना है, then it's all possible.
Okay.
Yes.
And you are being selected in your last attempt. And as we have said कि ये पूरा 6 ईयर का बहुत लॉन्ग जर्नी रहा है.
Okay.
तो कुछ कैंडिडेट होते हैं कि शायद कुछ कैंडिडेट ऐसे हों जो फिलहाल लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में हो, कुछ कैंडिडेट ऐसे हों जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. इट्स ए लॉन्ग पाथ. तो जो एक मेंटल इश्यूज, डिप्रेशन, फ्रस्ट्रेशन और वो सब जो आता है, तो हाउ यू हैव हैंडल्ड दैट?
Right. So I would say that we should understand first that UPSC is a long journey. There are very few lucky people who get into the first or second attempt. Rest you have to be ready mindly that इसमें और भी time लग सकता है. So something that keeps you motivating, ये हमेशा हमारे साथ रहना चाहिए. Maybe it may be your vision that why you want to join civil services, your purpose, and people who motivate you. So personally, for me, it was my family. I had a very strong support to all last 6 years. Always they kept motivating ki ho jayega, next year ho jayega. Keep going, do not stop. So that thing, someone telling you that keep going, do not stop, it strengthens your faith in yourself. तो ये हमेशा होना चाहिए. Find those people or find your vision. लेकिन find something that keeps you motivating, so that will keep you going.
Okay, and as you are a female candidate, and
Yes.
it becomes very difficult for them to continue because क्या है कि सोसाइटी वैसी है कि अरे बेटा 2 साल निकल गए, 3 साल निकल गए, अब शादी करो, अब जॉब करो. तो वो फीमेल कैंडिडेट जो अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज है?
Yes, I feel that for female candidates there are some pressures. So family pressures होता है या societal pressures होते हैं. So for them this journey becomes all the more difficult. So luckily I didn't have to face all this. I had a very strong family support. But for such students, I would like to say that keep hope in yourself. If you trust yourself, people will trust in you. So have that trust, keep going, and finally prove them that you have done it. You're worth it.
ओके, वन क्वेश्चन, सपोज पीडीएफ में नाम नहीं होता, लास्ट अटेम्प्ट जर्नी ओवर, तो कुछ बैकअप था?
बैकअप एक चीज सोच के रखा था, द पर्पस विथ विच आई एंटर्ड सिविल सर्विसेज, ड्यू टू माय पास्ट स्ट्रगल्स आई ऑलवेज वांटेड to work for women empowerment. So if not UPSC civil services, I would have joined some NGO that would work on women empowerment.
ओके, वेरी गुड। आपने टोटल 5 अटेम्प्ट दिए हैं और बहुत लेट जर्नी चालू करी थी, तो ये लास्ट अटेम्प्ट था। इसमें 3 बार प्री में फेल हुए हैं, 1 बार हम मेंस में फेल हुए हैं और फाइनली जाके सक्सेस मिली है। तो कुछ ऐसी गलतियां हम लोग कर देते हैं तैयारी के टाइम पे, कि वो गलतियां अगर अवॉइड करते तो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि 5 की जगह पे ये जर्नी शायद सेकंड या थर्ड अटेम्प्ट पे, शायद फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पे खत्म होती। तो वो गलतियां क्या है, मिस्टेक्स क्या है, कि जो बाकी कैंडिडेट को आप कहना चाहें कि अगर मैंने जो सीखा कि अगर ये मिस्टेक नहीं करती तो शायद मैं पहले निकल जाती।
Right. So starting with prelims. So first 3 prelims I could not make it. So it's my first mistake. I would say that do not just give attempts to test the waters. This is what I did in first 2 attempts. Ki ho jayega shayad. So do not do that. Prepare yourself fully and then give any attempt, because number of attempts matter. So always keep this in mind. Second, I would say that limit your resources. Yahan galti ki, you have lot many resources nowadays. So you tend to move from one to another, right? So do not do that. Have faith. If you're joining any coaching, if you're taking any guidance, stick to that and have faith in yourselves. Then keep on revising. Multiple revisions work. So do that. And so this was the second mistake, that going for multiple resources, switching from one to another and not having time for revisions. So this was the second one. And then finally, I would say that give many tests, answer writing, test, mocks. These are important so that finally you do not make those mistakes in the real exam. So I would say these are the mistakes that I did, and I would like aspirants to not to repeat those mistakes.
And you know that what is my view on topper's talk. So have you faced that एक टॉपर का टॉक देखा, उसने बोला, उस पे ट्रस्ट कर लिया और थोड़ा सा डेविएट हो गए? क्योंकि अभी तो जो मतलब हम हैं तो हम सब ऑनेस्टली बोलेंगे, हम वैसे नहीं है ना कि 2 महीने में प्रीलिम्स खत्म, एक मंथ में मेंस खत्म, 3 मंथ में रैंक 1, ऐसा नहीं है। ऐसा कभी फेस किया? Let's not take the names. Okay,
yes.
Let's not take the names.
Yeah. तो एक चीज पर्सनली जो मैं बोलना चाहूंगी रिगार्डिंग दिस, टॉपर्स टॉक डू मोटिवेट एट टाइम्स, यू वांट टू रीच दैट प्लेस फाइनली, बट डू नॉट अडॉप्ट इट ब्लाइंडली. डू नॉट थिंक दैट हाँ ये मुझ पे भी काम कर जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं होता है. You have to have your own strategy. And one myth which still amazes me is when people say that I study for 12 to 16 hours a day. Maybe they may be studying, but I find it very difficult. So do not go for it. Do not get bogged down ki mujhse ye nahi hoga. Can I do it or not? No. You just have to consistently prepare every day for 8 hours is good enough. But do it continuously. Don't have breaks. Ki 1 week I have done, next week I won't do anything. This will not work. So consistently doing it for minimum hours is what will work. So this one thing I would like to say, don't believe that myth.
And 8 hours is sufficient अगर वो आप क्वालिटी वाला दे रहे हो तो.
Right.
अब ये जो 12 to 14 वाले हैं, let me add one very small story. तो उसमें ऐसा है कि I know someone जिसने 14 से 15 घंटे पढ़ाई करी है, बट वो सिर्फ क्वांटिटी है, उनका कभी ना प्रीलिम्स हुआ ना कुछ हुआ. तो अगर वो क्वालिटी पे जितना डेडिकेशन है 7 to 8 आवर्स लगा दे, तो आई थिंक कहीं पे कुछ होते हो, है ना? ओके, अच्छा, एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, एंड दैट इज अ वेरी बिग डिबेट वेदर टू जॉइन द कोचिंग क्लासेस और नॉट. व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन दिस? बिकॉज आई नो दैट यू हैव prepared from home,
Yes.
right? So what is your view on this?
Okay. So ये एक personal choice होती है whether you want to join coaching or do not. So when I started my journey in 2015, as I was very new to this field, I had no idea about it. So I had joined a coaching for 1 year and completed the course. But I would say after that, since last 4 or 5 years, I have been doing self-study on my own. And I had been I've taken guidance under sir. Sir, yes. So I would say self-study आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन have a mentor. No, someone you would actually trust, who can guide you properly, who can tell you what is right, what is not, what you have to study, what you have to skip. So ek jab guidance, proper mentor you have, so you are not lost in that crowd. So you are going, you're reaching your destination today or tomorrow. So self-study, I would suggest, but have a mentor or guidance.
And that mentor can be a friend.
Yes.
That can be a very good friend. और
Whom
कुछ
you
लोगों का क्या है, whom you trust. हाँ, बस ऐसा नहीं हो कि वो गलत गाइड कर रहे हो, है ना, कि अरे तुम तो रैंक 1 लाओगे और फंसे हुए हैं. I think some video. So Ankita, you have failed in prelims thrice, and failed, I would say that you were not able to clear the cutoff. So next time आपने ऐसा क्या किया जो 4th and 5th attempt में you cleared the prelims? तो prelims की strategy please share, because nowadays many students face that issue. Like we have Shelly 5th attempt, पहला prelims और rank, है ना, prelims pass हुआ. So please share थोड़ा सा detail वाली strategy.
Yeah. So as sir said, I was not able to clear prelims thrice. So I would say there I made two mistakes. That is, one is sources. I tried to, so the thing you don't have to do, stick to some for every subject. जैसे political है, Lakshmikant है. For history, I would say beyond spectrum, I did not read anything. So I revised that thing again and again. And for all the books we know, all the resources, stick to those for static subjects. And again, for current affairs, I would say I went behind magazines. I kept reading those. That keeps your mind occupied at times. And you yourself must have seen कि उतने काम नहीं आते हैं. You don't get direct questions from those magazines. So stop relying so much on that, I would say. Rather, trust what you read from the Hindu. And when you solve papers, you get many of the topics which are very important in news. Here I would like to say that SOMP's notes, जो prelims notes sir ने share किए थे, that are very good, very crisp. So if you find some topics which you cannot cover anywhere, don't go for multiple resources. Go for such resources where they provide you in a crisp manner, so that your time is saved and you stick to those. Yes, sir. And I would say for some fringe areas like species in news or geography mapping, so I had stuck to those KBIS notes. They are very good in this. So you do not have to spend time to see what was in news in the entire year. So for such fringe areas, you can go for those notes. So find such resources, stick to it, revise multiple times, and then give mock test. I would again tell mock tests are very important in prelims. And do not just give test and keep on seeing the answers. Rather, through those tests, devise your strategy. Giving mocks, what works for you. See how questions you have to answer so that you cross the 100-mark cutoff. So I found my point that 85 to 90 questions when I used to solve, I would cross 100 marks. So I stuck to it. So devise your strategy, and in the main exam, do not panic due to unpredictable answers. Stick to that strategy, keep your calm, and give it. It will definitely work. So that is what works. Right.
Let me add some more questions to you. कितने मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व आप किए थे? क्योंकि ना एक ये बहुत कॉमन डाउट है कि सर कितने टेस्ट करने, तो हाउ कितने टेस्ट आपने सॉल्व किए?
So I would say that मैंने सब्जेक्ट वाइज सॉल्व नहीं किए थे. I always solve full mock test because I wanted to devise my strategy through that for the real exam. So I would say not during the entire year, but immediate before the prelims, So every weekly once, weekend में मैं solve करती थी. So weekly one test I used to solve. So I think around 10 tests if you could solve before prelims, full length, I think काफी होता है to devise your strategy.
बट क्वालिटी कि उस
Quality,
टेस्ट को एनालाइज अच्छे से कर लो, रिवाइज कर लो।
questions बहुत quality होने चाहिए and they should be UPSC marked questions उस level पे,
डेफिनेटली।
then it will work.
ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कि
Right.
रियल एग्जाम में कितने क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने चाहिए? एक कॉमन डाउट, सर कितने क्वेश्चन करें?
Yes.
तो आपने कितने क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करे सेफ साइड के लिए? फिर कितने में डाउट वाले थे? फर्स्ट राउंड में कितना हुआ? थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ब्रीफ एक देना।
So जैसे मैंने अभी बोला था कि I had devised my strategy before prelims कि when I used to solve 85 to 90 questions, that is when I could cross the 100 mark cutoff. So that I stuck to it. इस बार भी I would say last 2 years, UPSC prelims paper was unpredictable. Many questions we did not know from where they had come. So for such questions again I would say कि stick to your strategy. मैंने जब सोचा था कि मुझे 90 तक करना है, तो I always went for 3 rounds. First round में where I am 100% sure कि ये मुझे पता है. Second round when I could eliminate 2 options. So then I would calculate कि have I reached the 90 question marks? Otherwise I would again take risk in the third round.
एंड
So
दैट इज तुक्का गिरी, तुक्का मारना है फिर।
calculated होना चाहिए
कैलकुलेटेड होगा।
marking. Yes. So this is I say where mock works. Devise your strategy in that way.
और लास्ट ईयर आपका सेट कौन सा था प्रीलिम्स में? पॉलिटी वाले क्वेश्चन पहले पहले थे क्या?
पॉलिटी वाले नहीं सर, they were in between.
तो जिनके पॉलिटी वाले पहले थे उन्हें लग रहा था कि इस बार 200 में 200 क्योंकि सारे पॉलिटी के 15-16 क्वेश्चन थे। ओके, फिर एक ना इशू आता है कि जैसे लास्ट ईयर आपने प्रीलिम्स पास किया, ठीक है, और वो आपका 4th अटेम्प्ट था, लेकिन पहला मेंस था। एंड जनरली व्हाट आई फील ना कि कैंडिडेट इस टाइम पे पैनिक कर जाता है। पहले तो बहुत खुश होता है, फिर वो पैनिक करता है, फिर वो गलतियां करता है। तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो वो क्या हुआ? तो कैन यू प्लीज शेयर दैट थिंग?
So as it was my first mains, so I did not know which sources to follow, what notes to read, which mocks to give. It was all new. But I would say that before that, I had practiced answer writing well. मैंने full length नहीं दिए थे, but 1 to 2 questions daily I used to write. So there was a habit of writing. But then I did not have crisp notes available for all the topics. So वहाँ पे I was mistaken. वहाँ पे थोड़ा maybe that was the reason that I did not get sufficient marks to clear mains. So it was all in that limited 2 to 3 months. I had to make notes, I had to revise, I had to give mocks. So it took a lot of my time. So in the next last of this attempt, which I cleared, I had all the notes ready for mains ke topics. I took the syllabus, topic wise I made notes for every topic, 1 to 2 page notes. Again, I would say यहाँ पे note making is very, very important. I cannot repeat it again. It's very important. तो मैंने कैसे किया था? You cannot have 1 or 2 page notes in the first reading. Remember this. So जब first reading आप करोगे तो 4, 5, 6 pages आराम से बनेगा. Don't worry. Read those notes, revise them. As you keep revising, at the last you will have 1 page, 2 page notes, and those notes will be very important for your revision just before 1 day of your exam. So that what worked for me this time.
अच्छा देखो, अभी क्या है कि इस बार बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो प्री पास करेंगे पहली बार, वो मेंस में एंट्री करेंगे। तो एक ना टाइम लैग जो है कि एक बंदा है वो कंटिन्यूअस मेंस दे रहा है, उसको पता है कि प्री के बाद करना क्या है, 5-6 दिन का रेस्ट, तैयारी चालू। एक आता है नया-नया कि इस बार तो हम प्री फोड़ के आए हैं, मेंस देने जाएंगे। तो वो जो एक टाइम वेस्ट है, उस पे कुछ भी इफ यू वांट टू शेयर। और वो टाइम वेस्ट इसलिए भी है, लाइक आई कैन से फर्स्ट इज द बहुत हैप्पीनेस है कि चलो पहली बार मेंस का एडमिट कार्ड पहुंचेगा, पहली बार 10 दिन की वो जर्नी करने जाएंगे। सेकंड, देन देयर इज अ फियर कि यार एक तो मौका मिला है एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू लूज इट, और क्योंकि प्रीलिम्स की श्योरिटी कोई लेता नहीं है। तो उसके लिए क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे?
Yes. So yeah, there may be a थोड़ा fear हो सकता है for the first timers कि vast syllabus, how will I cover, when will I give the test, होगा कि नहीं, because there are many experienced players already writing means many times. So don't get bogged down by all this. You know what your strengths are. So always have trust in your strength areas. So as I said, if you already make notes beforehand, तो prelims के बाद बहुत easy हो जाता है. You just have to revise those and give your test. So take a little break. 2-3 days का break enough होता है after prelims. Don't rest for more than a week. It will cost you a lot at the end. So start early for the first timers. I would say जल्दी start करो. जिस चीज के notes नहीं बने उसको पहले बना दो. Complete your optional. Optional is the game changer. It gives you rank. So optional पे focus करो. पहले optional complete कर लो आपका. And multiple revisions will work here. Note making will work, and then giving your mock. So this time that's what I did. I just gave one test series, complete GS 1, 2, 3, 4, and essay. So that was enough because पूरा साल मैंने आंसर राइटिंग ऐसे प्रैक्टिस कर लिया था, नोट मेकिंग कर लिया था. तो दिस वे यू ट्राई टू सेव योर टाइम आफ्टर प्रीलिम्स. बहुत कम टाइम जो होता है 2 to 3 months का, you have to utilize it very well. You just have to revise and give test. So the way you plan, it will work for you.
GS1 में दो प्यारे से टॉपिक हैं जिनको लोग 1 महीने लग के आराम से तैयार करते हैं और उससे एक भी क्वेश्चन आता नहीं है. आता भी है तो ऐसा जनरल सा आ जाएगा कि कोई भी लिखाएगा. वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री एंड इंडिया सिंस इंडिपेंडेंस है. तो प्लीज डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम. लाइक 2-2 महीने बैठे हुए हो, उसके
Sir,
शॉर्ट नोट शेयर कर रखे हैं.
शॉर्ट नोट्स या मैंने वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री के लिए एसओएमपी के नोट्स फॉलो किए थे. आई थिंक वो 10 पेज कुछ नोट्स है, एंड इट वाज
नहीं,
मोर
थोड़ा
देन
ज्यादा है वो वाला. वो 10 वाला आई थिंक सिक्योरिटी का होगा. वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री
पेजेस
40.
का.
हाँ, 40 पेज.
तो आई
लेकिन पता
डिड,
है. यस यस
मुझे
यस.
लगा था. एक चीज और बोलना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे, आपने जो बोला, तो यहाँ पे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस बहुत काम करते हैं इवन इन द मेंस. सो गो फॉर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, उसको आप प्रैक्टिस करो. देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड विच टॉपिक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दैट यू डू नॉट वेस्ट टाइम फॉर थिंग्स जो बहुत रेयरली आते हैं, रेयरली पूछते हैं, जो कंटिन्यूस यू आर सीइंग इन मेनी इयर्स कि हाँ ये टॉपिक आता ही है. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट.
अच्छा चलो, आज एक छोटी सी मिथ और है, उसको खत्म कर देते हैं कि GS2 GS3 तो पूरा करंट अफेयर्स है. दैट्स द बिगेस्ट फ्रॉड न्यूज इन द मार्केट. कैंडिडेट 3 महीने करंट तैयार करता है, वहां 3 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, वो कहता है कि अगर नहीं भी तैयारी करता तो इसमें से 2 तो मैं लिखा था.
राइट.
सो व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन दिस? लाइक इतना ज्यादा ओवर रेटेड जो ये कर दिया है करंट अफेयर्स फॉर द प्री एंड फॉर द मेंस. व्हाट इज योर व्यू?
I would say कि GS2 you yourself can analyze. आप previous year question papers देख लीजिए. So you will find that polity के static questions आते हैं, governance के static questions आते हैं. Always rely कि current affairs नहीं है. It is mostly static oriented. Some IR related questions you may get from current. Rest depends on static. Be strong with your static part. Don't go wrong there. Don't leave those areas. They are your strength areas, right? And GS3, yes, because it's economy and environment, you may feel that it is current oriented. The topic may be current, but उसका background आपको जो answer में लिखना है, arguments, those are all from your static part. So environment or security, your should be main prelims.
Yes, yes, yes. Right. And then let's come to the last stage, that is interview. खत्म हो जाना चाहिए था जून में, खत्म हुआ सितंबर में.
Yes.
And we started from January 27. Right. वो पूरी लंबी सी एक जर्नी चलती गई कि तैयारी करनी है.
Right.
अप्रैल में इंटरव्यू पोस्टपोन हुआ कोविड के कारण. अप्रैल तक मैं शुरुआत से एक ही चीज कह रहा था कि अपना ग्रेजुएशन कर लो, खत्म कर लो. आज भी शायद खत्म नहीं है. इंटरव्यू दे आए, रैंक ले आए. Okay, so how was your this long 6 months, not 6, but we can say 9 months, 9 months journey.
Yes.
इतना लंबा वेट.
Yes. So immediately after mains result was out, what we tend to do is relax and wait for the results. मतलब हाँ उसके बाद क्या करना है after writing the mains. I mean. So I didn't do that. After writing mains, I wanted इस बार जैसे last attempt था, I did not want to leave any stone unturned. तो मुझे prepare करना था interview के लिए, but I didn't know what to do. So I knew that DAF areas had to be covered, लेकिन वो हो ही नहीं रहा था because we tend to wait for the results. So वहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, I joined SOMP का interview guidance program आपका join किया था. तो वहाँ पे immediately after mains exam, we started sessions, small group sessions we had begun. So sessions में we covered all the general topics जो होते हैं mostly that may be asked in the interview. So वैसे it continued and then the results were out. उसके बाद again we continued these topics but in a more intensive manner. So that way it kept me going. वो जो topics current affairs related थे, DAF related थे, so they all got covered in those 6 to 9 months of time. But I would say again here, there was a postponement of exam interview this time. So that time, rather than just sitting at home, we also did some quality work. So we had a group called Arohanam, जो social service करता है, which helped people during COVID times. Sir is the administrator. So I really liked that concept. I was happy enough to work to contribute in a little way that I can through that group. So that kept you going because finally your vision through civil service is a service, right? You do in any way. So that kept us going. We worked through that group. And along with that, our interview preparation kept going. We had group sessions, we had DAF analysis, and sir was always available around the corner. So anytime I had any question, I used to post to him and get his opinion on it, his views on it. And yeah, that's how we kept preparing for interview. And finally, the mock that I gave at your group helped me analyze what my strengths, my weaknesses were. I worked on it. And it was a wonderful journey, I would say. In fact, knowing yourself. Yes. So yes, this is how we prepared.
And our morning 8 a.m., 7 a.m.
Yes.
7 a.m. एंड यहाँ पे ना एक और बात है कि एक होता है ना कि सीरियस टाइप की कैंडिडेट एक जो अपना जो ग्रुप है और जो भी कैंडिडेट थे तो उनके साथ में एक बॉन्डिंग ऐसी थी कि बहुत रियल सी थी। वो सुबह जग गए, सब कॉफी का कप लेके बैठे हैं। कुणाल जो है हेल्दी फूड खाने में लगा हुआ है, अपर्णा ब्लैक टी पीने में लगी हुई है। तो वो सुबह सुबह की मस्ती चल रही है कि सर जग जाओ, कितना सो गए, हम जग गए। दैट वाज क्वाइट अ गुड एंड वो दैट आई कैन से कि जब सामने से कोई एक होता है ना कि सर हमें करना है, सब करना है, और जैसे कुणाल का था वो तो फोन कर देगा, सर जगो अब हो गया बॉस, सो लिए बहुत। तो वो पुश करता है कि नहीं यार कुछ लोग हैं। एंड इंटरव्यू में योर स्कोर इज गुड।
Yes. Yes.
Anything else? Yes, please continue.
Yes, and I would say, yeah, group sessions में one thing that I liked a lot was you get to know the opinion of other candidates as well. There are topics which are opinion based. So you have your own perspective. When you listen to the other person, you get a new perspective, which you do not know, which you did not think of. So that thing helped a lot among so many candidates. When you work on the same topic, you get to know new things. That helps you evolve your thinking. And that is what I liked a lot.
एंड हम लोगों ने 9 मंथ्स के पीरियड में अराउंड 100 सेशन तो कर लिए होंगे, थैंक्स टू यूपीएससी जो पोस्टपोन कर दिया। तो 100 सेशंस हो गए, सब हो गया। इसके अलावा ये भी है कि एक ना थोड़ा कंपटीशन भी आता है फिर। जैसे ग्रुप सेशन तो पता नहीं है बाकी जगह पे कैसे होते हैं, यहाँ पे तो ये कि आई एम देयर, तो व्हाट आई सी ना कि बाकी कैंडिडेट को देख के भी एक फीलिंग आती है कि यार इस लेवल पे जाना है, ये अच्छा लेवल है, ये बंदा अच्छा कर रहा है। बोलने का तरीका हुआ, कुछ भी हुआ, जैसे तुम आ रही था शुरू से मैंने बोला था कि होगा, पक्का होगा, डेफिनेटली होगा। वो हो जाती, थोड़ा सा एक फील आ जाता है। लेकिन हाँ, कुछ और लोग थे, अगर उनका होता तो और खुशी मिलती, उनका रहा, अच्छा नहीं लगा। खैर ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम। एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू से, एनीथिंग अबाउट जनरल लाइक वेट आई फॉरगॉट टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, और फिलॉसफी वालों ने ये स्पेशली बोला है कि फिलॉसफी की जरा स्ट्रेटेजी पूछ लो, कोई टॉपर स्टॉक नहीं होती है उस पे, तो प्लीज जरा ये फिलॉसफी के लिए शेयर योर थॉट।
So yeah, this time I improved a lot. than last year in my philosophy optional. I got around 268 marks, which are near to highest in this subject this time. So what I would say, what I did different, I would say philosophy first, do not get demotivated कि marks नहीं आते हैं, कुछ नहीं होता है. We are seeing ranks in top 100 also in philosophy. So change your strategy, जो work नहीं कर रहा है. What I changed this time was I solved many previous year questions. Philosophy में you have this advantage that you have many repeated questions. The crust remains the same, what the question is asking, wordings are different. Try to find those topics which are repeating year after year, work on those, write down those answers, revise them. So you have that answer ready in your mind with introduction, conclusion, arguments, thinkers, everything. Do this, practice this for 2-3 months before your prelims. I would not say this for this year students, but next year you can definitely do that. So do this and definitely you will have confidence to answer in the exam. This is what I did this time. I stuck to only one test series and rather than more practicing previous year questions. So do that and definitely you can cross 250 marks. Yeah.
ये तो है कि लोग PYQ करते नहीं है, हम तो सिर्फ टेस्ट ही करेंगे, हम तो नया नोट्स ही करेंगे और फिलॉसफी का अपना जो सिलेबस है छोटा है, ठीक है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिंपल है. कंसेप्ट समझ में आने चाहिए कि उस थिंकर ने किस लिए बोला, क्या बोला. एंड आई कैन से कि यहाँ पे नोट्स मेकिंग भी हेल्प करता है. अगर आपने जैसे वो मेंस का जो कहा था कि 1 or 2 पेज नोट अगर थिंकर पे बना लिए तो दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अ लॉट.
Yes, definitely. Yes, I did that. Very crisp notes I made for every chapter, every thinker. 1 or 2 page notes I did for philosophy as well. They worked wonders this time. Yes,
definitely. And we both belong to philosophical background. So I would like to ask one question to you. What is your philosophy of life now after getting the rank?
philosophy of life हमेशा से एक ही रहा है मेरा. ये है कि don't always stick to your own self. Look beyond yourself. There is a world out there. So when you shift from me to we, that is when things work. So always have an approach where try to help others. We have an all-round view of world. Don't stick to your own self. So move beyond yourself. You will find many beautiful things.
Very good. Thank you for sharing this. Anything you would like to share or to the community which are appearing or for, like anything lastly which you would like to share?
Yes. So last 1 week to the aspirants who are writing prelims this year, I would say have confidence. Ho jayega. We have seen last 2-3 years UPSC questions getting very unpredictable. So it demotivates people at time, even me. But I would say it's because it is difficult. So be strong, keep calm. Keeping calm and relaxing that day is very important. Have good sleep. Go next day, be very calm. Those 2 hours you have to give your best. Just remember this in mind. And as I said, when you devise your strategy, stick to it. However unpredictable question comes, stick to that strategy. 2 hours, keep your calm and try to give your best without evaluating yourself at that moment. Ki yaar abhi hoga ya nahi hoga. So don't predict cutoff, don't do anything. Your 2 hours, have one vision that you are going to give your best. Do that, keep your calm, and definitely you will succeed. All the best to all the aspirants who are giving this year.
One last thing, do not ignore CSAT. Do not ignore CSAT.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
And one more thing, I would like to thank you, sir. You were always available round the clock. Whenever I had any doubts, I just texted you and immediately you were available ki aaj hoga, kal hoga, I will solve this issue, whether it is related to studies or otherwise. So I'm happy and lucky to be having a mentor like you. So you made it easy actually. So thank you very much.
Welcome, and I am so lucky that we have students like you. और जल्दी हैदराबाद मिलते हैं, हैदराबाद की बिरयानी खाते हैं, ठीक है ना? All the best for your journey and see you soon. Okay? Okay, Ankita, thank you. बाय।